Hello, it's Aaron here. We just finished a webinar with Meir. We're a group of friends, it's a private group. We've been students of his for a long time. And we learned today so much. Actually, not learned, but we unlearned, let's say unlearned. Because learning is not proper thing in our class, okay? We unlearned so many things, which makes you so powerful. And if you are facing any problem with health, wealth, energy, low energy in life, whatever it is, he showed us how easy and simple it is. Actually, we have been applying those rules for quite a long time, and we see results every day. And he is having a free webinar about Lost Sutras this Sunday. It's such a powerful, and better not miss it. Click the link below and register. You'll never regret it. Bye-bye and enjoy.